subscribe to Not a Teacher YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get new videos notification on time. Hey, hi there. I hope you are doing fine, and once again welcome back to the channel everybody. So in this video I'm not going to teach you anything, because in this video I'm going to talk about the importance of English language, and also I will be answering this question: why should people learn English and what are the benefits of English language. And this video is especially for those people who think English is very difficult language. Yes, it is very difficult language, but if you pick any languages in the world, all languages are difficult at some point. So you need to give some extra efforts to become a master of any languages. So after watching this video, you will get some motivation to learn English language. In this video, there will be some facts, there will be some points which will prove that you should learn English language. At the end of the video, you will find one interview of an English language trainer who has 3 years experience of English language teaching. So I have taken this interview recently. This interview will also help you, because the trainer will be sharing some points and the trainer will be talking about the benefits which you can get after learning English language. Keep watching the video till the end so that you can understand in a better way. If you're ready with your pen and paper, let's get started quickly. Have you ever heard people saying that English is a global language? But do you know why people say this? Any idea why English is a global language? So basically, English is the most widely spoken language of the world, which means in every part of the world you will find people who speak in English. And 1.5 billion people around the world presently speak in English. So what is the total population of the world? I think it is around 7 billion. So 1.5 billion out of 7 billion speak in English language. And it is the world's second native language, the formal language in 70 countries. So wherever you go in the world, you'll find somebody who can speak in English. That's why English is a global language, and that's why you should learn English. English is a business language. Everybody in this world wants to start their career. Some wants to start their career as employee, and some want to start their career as businessman. To get a good job in a big company, you have to face one interview, right? Do interviewers ask questions in Hindi, Urdu, Japanese, Spanish, German, or any other languages? No, they ask questions in English only. So during interview, you have to answer in English only. They will be asking you questions in English because most of the companies are connected with foreign countries where everybody speaks in English. They want their employees should also speak in English. That's why they only hire those people who can speak in English, those who have good command over English language. So if you have good command over English language, you will be get selected easily, and you will also get good package of salary. But for that, you must know English. That's why you should learn English. If you want to get a good job and a good payout, start learning English language. English is also important in business. 84% of companies want their employees who can speak in English. Pick any companies or any brands: Google, Microsoft, Tata, Amazon, H&M, Zara, Reebok, Adidas. So in all these companies, English is required. So these companies hire those people who have good command over English. So if you want to work any of these companies, then you must know English. So if you want to earn good, learn English. If you want to set up your business, then learn English, because you want to collaborate with the big companies all around the world, and the communication happens only in English language in the big companies. So that's why English is really important in business, because English language is a medium of communication in business. Another reason for learning English language is that many of the world's top films, music, and books are published and produced in English only. Therefore, by learning English language, you will be able to have a great understanding. And also, most of the content produced on the internet in English language. So knowing English will allow you to access amount of information. So try to imagine that you are the fan of Justin Bieber, Michael Jackson, Rihanna, Selena Gomez, Ed Sheeran, So these people are most popular singers and they only sing in English language. But if you don't know English language, then how would you listen to them? So if you want to listen to them, if you want to feel their songs, then you have to learn English. That's why English is really important. And you can pick any popular TV shows. For example, Friends, Game of Thrones, 13 Reasons Why, Stranger Things. And there are many other popular shows as well. And they are only in English language. They are not in Hindi, they are not in Urdu, they are not in any other languages. They are only in English language. So if you want to watch these shows, so for that you must know English. So that's why English is very important. If you want to have a better understanding of Western culture, then for that you must learn English. Why English is important in education? The ability to speak and write English properly allows people to advance in the professional world. Means if you want to become a doctor, an astronaut, a scientist, advocate, an engineer, or any government employees. So the curriculum and the syllabus which you will get during your LLB, MBBS, so everything will be in English language. So if you want to become a doctor, then you have to study all the medical terms in English language only. So for that you must know English. You're preparing for UPSC, SSC, so there also you need English language. Even after completing the entrance exams, you have to face one interview which will be in English only. So for that you have to learn English. That's why English is really important. So in the professional field, English is a medium of education. Whether it is MBBS, LLB, astronaut, scientist, engineer, or any other professions, you will get your syllabus only in English language, and that's why you have to learn English language. I know most of you want to become engineer, doctor, scientist, astronauts, or maybe government employees. To become any of these, you need English language, because all the instructions which you will get during your study, they will be in English language only. So still you are thinking to giving up on English language, so I will suggest you try to rethink about these points which I have just shared. And one more very important thing, try to make English as a medium of communication. Do not make English as your identity. So do not learn English for show off. Try to learn English for communication. Now you are going to watch the interview and try to listen carefully to the trainer, whatever she will be sharing.